Hey writers, whether you're launching your first book or building your author brand, having a professional website is a game changer. In this video, I'll show you how to make a professional WordPress website for authors. So, first go ahead and pick a domain, choose a domain, add a domain for your WordPress website. So, pick a domain that reflects your author brand. So, make sure that it ends with that blog. So you can basically get that from WordPress itself. After that, go ahead and head over into the themes tab. So you need to first avail a domain and then select a theme for your WordPress website as a professional author. So head over to the appearance and then click on themes, and then from here go ahead and search for author landing page. This theme is specifically designed for writers. So this is how it looks like. So as you can see, you can feature your book here, the title of your book. So you can basically customize it depending on how you want your website to look like with this specific theme. Now, after you select this theme, go ahead and customize it to fit your preference on how you want it to look like, and then after that go ahead and create essential pages. So make sure to create a home page that showcases your latest book, author bio, and call to action, about page where you share your writing journey and personal story, books page where you display your titles with descriptions, covers, and purchase links, and a blog page where you can post updates, writing tips, or behind the screen content. Make sure to add a newsletter sign up. So install a plugin like MailChimp for WordPress or newsletter, and then create a sign up form and embed it on your homepage and blog sidebar. Offer a freebie to encourage sign ups. After that, go ahead and make sure to create the menu. So add your key pages such as the home, about, books, blog, and contact tab. Choose organize them in a logical order and save the menu. Now after that, make sure to add book listings. So create a books page and add each title with cover image, description, by links, reviews, or blurbs. And after that, you need to customize your homepage. So you can use Elementor or the WordPress block editor to design the hero section, featured book, newsletter sign up, testimonials, or reader reviews. Now make sure to optimize it for mobile interface and then install an SEO, and then after that you can launch it and promote it.